Good morning students. Welcome back to the computer class. In the previous video we have done the topic algorithm. Now today we are going to discuss about the topic flowchart. Our topic is flowchart. You have learned how to write the instructions which is in algorithm to solve a problem. Yes, a step by step procedure to solve a problem is called algorithm. And you can also show these instructions in a graphical way, or we can say that in a pictorial form using some symbols. Yes, we are using some symbols to express our solution or to express the instructions in a graphical way is called an flowchart. Flowchart is a step-by-step process of representing the solution of a particular problem is called a graphical or a pictorial form, which is called flowchart. In other words, we can say that it is a systematic pictorial representation of an algorithm. It is very easy to draw and understand. Yes, if we compare the algorithm with flowchart, the flowchart is the easiest way to solve a problem in a pictorial form. In algorithm, we write some instructions in a sequence form, in a sequential form to solve a problem. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मैं आपको कोई टॉपिक एक प्रैक्टिकल फॉर्म में समझाऊं तो आपको प्रैक्टिकली वो जल्दी अंडरस्टूड होगा इन द कंपैरिजन ऑफ थ्योरी. सी, लेट अस लर्न मोर अबाउट द फ्लो चार्ट्स. देयर आर सम सिंबल्स ऑफ फ्लो चार्ट्स आर गिवन इन योर बुक. To make a flow chart, you need some symbols. Yes, to make a flow chart, we have to use some symbols which are already given in your book. There are some standard symbols which are used to draw a flow chart. Each symbol represents the specific type of activity. Yes, हर एक symbol आपको क्या दिखाएगा? उसकी एक specific activity करेगा. हर एक symbol का एक particular task होगा, particular काम होगा करने का. Let us learn about the symbols that are used to draw a flow chart. See beta, a table is given in your book. This one is start stop box, which is in circular oval shape. An oval shape symbol is used to represent the beginning and end of the flow chart. Yes, whenever you start your flow chart to make your flow chart, आप किसी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर रहे हो और आप उसका फ्लो चार्ट ड्रॉ कर रहे हो तो उसकी स्टार्टिंग और एंडिंग कहाँ से होगी? ओवल शेप सिंबल से. द सेकेंड वन इज इनपुट आउटपुट बॉक्स. दिस इज इन द पैरेललोग्राम फॉर्म. It is used to represent the instructions that takes the input and provide the output. Whenever you get the input, आपको इस पैरेललोग्राम शेप सिंबल यूज करना होगा जिसमें आप अपनी इनपुट्स लिखोगे और आप आउटपुट प्रोवाइड करोगे. The third one is processing box. Yes, a rectangle is used to represent the processing of instructions. जो आप number of instructions अपने कंप्यूटर को इनपुट करवा रहे हो उसकी प्रोसेसिंग कहाँ होगी? In this processing box. This shows the processing of instructions. The fourth one is decision box. A diamond shaped symbol is used to represent the instructions that ask a question and you need to choose between the two options, yes or no. Yes, for example, I want to check the comparison between two numbers. For example, A is greater than B. If I want to choose if A is greater or B is greater, if the answer is correct, so it is yes, otherwise no. So like these comparison we have to use decision box to take a decision. The fifth one is flow lines. A line with the arrowhead indicates the direction of the flow of data and instructions. The different symbols in the flow charts are connected together with the flow lines. ये जितने भी symbols हैं एक दूसरे के साथ connect होते हैं किसके through? Flow lines के through. And the last one is connectors. The circle, yes, in the form of circle, these are the connectors. A circle is used to connect the different parts of flowcharts together. Yes, different parts flowcharts के जितने भी different symbols उन सबको connect करने के लिए circle connector का use होता है. Connectors may connect the flowchart on the same page or on different page. अगर आपका एक flowchart एक single page पे and the other one is on the different page, you have to use the connector symbol to connect it. See, the example is given in your book. A flowchart to find the average of three numbers. See, this one is your starting and ending symbol na, which is in oval shape. C, start. And the second one is, this is your input output box, which is in parallelogram form, and these are called flow lines. Okay, and see, this is your processing box in which the processing is done. You have to find the average of 3 numbers ना, so आपको process करना है वो. After that you have to give the answer to in this box, and in last, जैसा कि मैंने आपको बोला था, आपको इनपुट भी पैरेललोग्राम फॉर्म में ही देना होता है और आउटपुट भी. एंड इन लास्ट, to stop the flow chart, you are again using the oval shape symbol in which you write a stop. So this is the way to draw a flow chart. There are some rules are given to drawing a flow chart. While drawing a flow chart, follow the given rules. The direction of your flow chart is either from top to bottom or from left to right. Yes, जब आप flow chart बनाते हो तो आपका flow chart from top to bottom बनता है and from left to right, not from bottom to up and right to left. It's a top to bottom and left to right. Flow lines are used to indicate the direction of the flow of activity. Yes, जो आपकी flow lines होती हैं, अगर हम उनको top. And the third one is, it should have only one start box and one stop.